The next step is to then edit the biography. This biography is related to directly underneath, which is just this part here. It's also on your home page. Now to delete this, it's very similar to editing your home page. All you need to do, once you go into About Me and then Biography, in this section here, you want to edit the text. So you might do that, and you might get rid of all of that, etc. Just like Microsoft Word too, if you press Ctrl Z on your keyboard, it will undo the last move. So you can type away and type a little bit about yourself. Please note though, underneath, you don't want to delete either this, and especially not this. This little section here loads up the About Me basic info, so make sure you keep that as it is. Once you're done though and you're happy with it, click on the update button to the right hand side and it will save on your website.